It's Eric and Ryan. I'm Ryan
This is Eric.
with Kearney Parks and Rec, and we just want to show you some of the improvements out here at Lions Park. These are where the new shelters will be.
Getting ready to pour the concrete.
We're gonna have a brand new bathroom there. Oh, look at that. It's a playground, and they're working on it. It's gonna be great. This is the big kids area. If you come over here, we're in the toddler area. It's gonna be great, and look at that. Got a bunch of slides and stuff still yet to go in. This place is going to be awesome, guys. Work will continue in Lions Park over the next several weeks. The next items to be installed include the new shelters, the new bathroom, and the new gazebo bandshell structure. The splash pad will be installed in the coming weeks as well. Keep an eye on the Kearney Parks and Recreation Facebook page and the City of Kearney YouTube page for more information. Lastly, we'd like to thank everyone involved in the project, including all of the original splash pad donors. It's with all of your help that this project has become a reality.